Today's September 10th, 2015. We're at beautiful Port Mellon. This is the Rainy River. This is what we call Fiedler Cove. And we have lots of salmon pooling, getting a little rest before they head upstream. And I'm going to show you what happens when I throw a rock into the middle of that pool. There they go. Choo! And they kind of run away, and then they regroup and come back to doing exactly what they were doing. There they come. No bears here today, but there was a mama bear and her cub here the other day, so we're on high alert. I don't know if you can see the other fish in the river, but there's lots in the river, and closer down by the ocean, the seals are chasing them. Beautiful day, it's about 24 degrees. And it's good to see the water levels back up to where they should be.